while, just wanted to run through a trade that's just finished. Thought it'd be much easier to do a video rather than trying to do a screenshot and an explanation, because it's got quite a few elements to it that has made up the trade and my thought process behind it. So what we have here is the pound versus the Australian dollar, which is probably been the most traded pair the last few days. And I just want to show you the 15-minute chart first of all. Prices had a run down during the start of Frankfurt into the start of London Open, which was about 15 minutes ago. This is the opening candle of London here. So what I saw here was this isolated candle here. You can see it attempted to go lower, which was yesterday's low down right here, 63.84, and then it's closed higher. It's called a bullish pin bar, and that's quite interesting simply because it's quite close to the cam level. And then once you look at the pip range bar chart, it makes a lot more sense. We have here price making lower lows, whilst the oscillator has actually made higher lows. So that there is divergence. So that means I'm looking for a chance to go long. Now, I was very cautious of entering too soon, and I wanted to wait for firstly price to close above the Kiju Sen here, which is the blue line. And I drew in a little trend line here, disconnecting a few of the highs, and it closed above here, and that's where I took my entry. Now, the second part of this trade is there was a potential for a continuation trade, which you'll also find on the forum, where price touched the edge of the cloud here and then closed straight back down. But the important key factor is it didn't close below the blue line, so therefore it wasn't a valid trade. Now, I only took 11 pips, which isn't a huge amount, especially on the pound versus the Australian dollar. But you'll note I took my exit pretty much right where the previous high was here, where the price stopped. We have one candle here, another candle there where it bearishly closed on that level. So that was a good level to exit on. And you can see price now, it's already dropped down to 164.02. So price is coming back down. We've got news in just over an hour, and we'll see how we go.